Hello, Jim Techbuzz. Going to give you a quick unboxing today of the new Tronsmart Onyx Prime True Wireless earbuds made for audiophiles with hybrid dual drivers. So on the front you have got hybrid dual driver Qualcomm aptX and Tronsmart in the infamous box with the orange tag and orange and white packing, and that's it there. So you've got music, calls and gaming, and it gives you an image of the earphone itself and what's in the box, which we're going to have a look at. Hybrid dual technology with balancing armature and dynamic driver, CVC call reduction with dual mics, 40-hour playtime with charge case, aptX AAC SBC audio codecs compatible, faster and smoother connection, ergonomic design, mono binaural mode, and over 10 feet 33 feet range transmission. So that's pretty much what they're telling us on the box, and that's all you get to see for now. So we're going to have a look at them first, give you a look at what they look like, what you get inside, and then we'll have a full review. And of course, in the meantime, as per normal, you can ask us what you like. So that's what the package looks like inside there, and well presented as always with Tronsmart. And we get the case here, and let's try and get this out here. So inside, very nicely packed, we will get this out and get rid of that. So in here we have got your cable, which is USB-C, which is great. And that's pretty much all there is in there. So we'll put all that back together, pop that back in there. You get your warranty card, and of course you get your user guide here. And this is basically just tell us what to do. And of course you have got your button configuration, which is good, touch controls, pair them with your device, and you have got different LED indicator status lights there, your charging case, and you have got your touch controls here. So it doesn't say anything about their app there, but we'll find out. And in here is where you get your extra tips and wings, which is cool. And here is the case, a bit flatter this time around to their usual style. USB-C port on the back with LED light there. When you open them up, that's what they look like inside. So we'll take them out. We do have tags on the actual earbuds, so we'll pop them in there out of the way. So that stops the connection during transportation. All that for those wondering why they are there. They are on a lot of earbuds of late. It's starting to become more noticeable. So that's what they look like there. You can see the 4 connection points, and this is what they look like from the side. And you've got a touch area. It's not a clicky button, but they do look really nice indeed. A nice different design as well compared to the standard that's out there at the moment. There's a lot that look quite the same. These do look quite different, which is cool. So I'm going to pop them back into the case. Let me see. Yeah, they pop in like that. You've got an LED light then on the back, and you've got LEDs on either side there. So they look really nice indeed now. And they won't fall out. They do rattle a bit, but they're not going to fall out. But that's it. That's a quick first look and unboxing of the all new Tronsmart earbuds. And do check out the site for all their earbuds reviewed. We have them all covered. They are pretty cool, and they are a very good product and come in at an affordable price. And I'm looking forward to seeing these and checking these out, as these are their latest and they are made for audiophiles. So let's see how bold that statement is. We'll test them out fully, as we always do, rather than give you a stock image review. We'll go through all the features then later on, tell you how we feel and how they sound and all that kind of stuff. And as mentioned, give us a shout in the comment section down below, and we'll get back to you with every question answered on techbuzzireland.com. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for more. Talk to you then.